Isang farm resort sa Alfonso, Cavite na may napakagandang view ng mountain and nature, perfect mag-staycation, mag-swimming, mag-relax, mag-unwind, may cafe and resto bar, at napakagandang setup ng events place, perfect for weddings, birthdays, and other special events. Kaya naman,
saan tayo today?
ang wonder nga natin ngayon ay dito sa Vera Farm Resort and Events Place, located at kay Titinga to Alfonso, Cavite. Marerelax ka talaga sa place dahil sa napakagandang view ng Mount Talamitam na matatanaw dito sa pool area at jacuzzi nila. Kung gusto naman mag-staycation ay may mga rooms din sila dito for families and even small groups. For sure ay may enjoy nyo ang stay sa resort dahil sa malamig na klima ng Alfonso dahil malapit lang din ito sa Tagaytay. Marami ding spots sa Vera Farm Resort ang pwede nating pagchillan. Uy! May mga benches at duyan sa ilalim ng puno that will bring you closer to nature talaga. Meron din sila ditong gaming area, cafe and resto bar, at bonfire area that will make your stay here more memorable. Napakagandang place talaga para makapag-reflect, magtanggal ng stress, at mag-enjoy syempre. Aside nga sa resort ay nag-offer din sila dito ng events place. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng place kung saan pwede i-celebrate ang birthdays, weddings, and other special events sa inyong life, tara, let's see what's inside the Vera Hall.
Malaking pasasalamat sa lahat ng nasa industriya nito na maipakita ng Vera Farm kung ano ang pwede namin may offer sa inyong lahat. But of course, pag nakita niyo ang Vera Farm, ito ay hindi kami nagkikipaglaban sa kanino mang nasa industriyang ito, kundi gusto namin makipag-collaborate, makipag-cooperate, makipag-business sa inyong lahat. Dahil iisa lang tayo. Lahat ng may-ari ng negosyo ay pinagsusumikapan na maging maganda, ma-deliver lahat ng pwedeng ma-deliver sa lahat ng kliyente. Bakit? Pag maganda ang na-deliver nyo sa inyong kliyente, lahat tayo ay magiging successful.
And from Vera Farm Resort and Events Place, here are the trusted suppliers for all your event needs. The coordinators by Vera Farm, MK Infinity Events, MC Events Management Services, Sweet Life Events by Aiza Peñaflor, Jello Events and Management Services, Exemia Event Coordinator, M&M Catering Services, Host Psyche, Makeup by Roldan Sevilla, Makeup by Lanel, Isis Juno, KM Photography, Freddy Quadra Photography, AB Photography, and Lawrence Chris Photography. Momento Photo Booth Manila Soul, Mirror Mirror on the Floor, Jan Gabriel Salazar Saxophonist, by Len 3J Sounds and Lights, Mr. Jones PH, Hanep Channel by Letlet, All About Horses, Arcane Mobile, Squeezers and Lattes, Taste of Fonzie, also supported by Tagaytay Vloggers, and Alfonso Turismo. Vera Farm Resort and Events Place aims to provide a serene and beautiful venue for unforgettable celebrations, combining natural beauty with exceptional service to create memorable experiences for all occasions. For inquiries and bookings, just visit Vera Farm Resort and Events Place. See you here, Wanderers!